This is the level 12. In this level we will learn how to sketch 3D line. At first we have to choose this sketch. Just click here and choose this 3D sketch. Click on this 3D sketch and choose this front plane and just choose the line and sketch on this origin point. Just click this origin point and click this particle and click. Again click on this point. If you want to change the direction, just will click tab key. If you click this tab key, your direction will change. Again click this tab key. Now see your direction is changed. You have to sketch always with this direction, otherwise your sketch will not the 3D sketch. So now I choose again this line and click this on line and click this direction and just click and again click on this line and I will click tab key and it will convert this line. Again I will click this on and again I will click tab key and I will sketch in this direction. Yeah, right click and select OK. Now see, now select OK. Now again I will choose this line and I will click, just move it. I will click on this point. Just I will click on this point and click tab key and I will click sketch this direction. Yeah, and right click and select OK. Again I will choose this line and click this on this point and I will click this tab key and I will sketch this line and select, click OK. Again I will move it. Just again I will choose this line and I will click this line and I will sketch this and right click and select OK. Again I will choose this line and choose this point and I will sketch this and right click and select OK. And just see, move it. I will just drag it in this or this. Yeah. Now again I will click this and click on this and click this vertical line and right click and select OK. Now our sketch is created. Just I will connect this line. Just click this line and I will click here and I will click this and right click and select OK. Just I connect this. This is the 3D sketch. Okay. Thank you for watching for this. Okay.